Girl from Milan?
Du gehst du hin?
To build my future. Away from this fucking family.
You drive like mom.
Get out and help me.